One, I'm going to slack a bit. I need to implement snapping, but I'll do some more easy stuff. That one, align movement to X, Y, and Z. Yeah, let's do that one. So let's see what we have. So we have that one. We can move and interesting. That's interesting. So X is delete, and I press X. Yeah, there is a as well bug then. If nothing on the scene, the last drawing is not being deleted.
Nothing is on the scene. The last drawing is not being deleted.
Anyways, so let's make that big and split into. This would be debugger, and this would be compilation window. Scene editor.cpp underscore x. Delete if so, like switch mode and case mode none. It would delete. Otherwise, let's have again non X, Y, and Z.
Num class alignment mode node X, Y, Z.
Mode. Default. Okay, X. So that would work and move them only in the positive direction. As well, I want to reset alignment mode every time then I press. So like what? So I'm going to reset it. Okay, so it's going to work only in yeah, positive direction, but I can fix it. I'm wondering if I should maybe I don't know. So I can get the angle by GLM cross dot product dot what function to get the dot product in GLM? Just dot. And B. So I think this is what it should be. One times GLM dot delta GLM vec free 0 1 0 times GLM dot delta times GLM vec free 0 0 1. So let's see if it's gonna work. Okay. So I need to swap them. Interesting. It should put minus here. Okay, so um, scaling is even simpler. Let me just copy paste. So rotation is a bit trickier. Let me see if ChatGPT, if Gemini would be able to figure out it for me. Gemini. Scene editor. Implement. Apply changes. Control O to view more lines. Axis. I think it looks fine. I don't know what it's doing. Unused variable. Let's see if it's working. So if I take this one, rotate X. Oh, it does work. Why? So Z is correct rotation. I mean, it does work. I don't know if I should change it. So if I do it like this, it would match. No, it does work. So probably I would do const auto equals okay. I think it's okay implementation. I'm not mad at it. Yeah, if I look at from this side, it's gonna be inverted, but I think it's fine. Mm. So I want to behave it as a toggle, right? So if I do move right and do X, so I do X move and X free mode, X move, Y move, Z move, free move. Okay. So let's see if I can let me add one more thing. Yeah, let me see how it's gonna feel. Then I'm going to start building the world, right? Without snapping. So let's delete that. Let's add let's add platform. Okay, so there is a platform. It's bleeding. Ah, that's interesting. So we probably should not bleed the lights anyways. Oh, why cube is so high? right? Cube stairs. Even with snapping, it's working very well. Of course, I would like to implement snapping, but it's not bad. All right. It's not bad. Okay, snapping. Snapping. Oh, wait a second. Did I mess up with no, I did not. So it just inside, right? So this is correct look. You know what I like? It's 120 FPS. It feels really nice. I mean, it's like you cannot see. It feels very smooth. Anyways. That's way better. Implement moon.
Implement alignment mode. Implement alignment to the X, Y, and Z axes.
This one is to render. Shift tab. Shift click drag to select multiple. Shift click drag to select multiple. I'm not sure I understand. So let's say we have a cube and we have another cube, right? And I want to snap this cube to that one. Bounding box center. Individual origin. I'm not sure. Median point. I guess bounding box center. Shift click drag to select multiple. But what if like for example this cube is sort of like this, right? Oh, it is still snapping to bounding box. Individual origin. I think it's still snapping to bounding box. I'm just wondering if it's a useful snap. Active element. So I'm wondering what does mean shift click drag to select multiple. What does it mean? Shift click drag. What does it mean? Shift click drag. Ah. I'm not sure if I want that sort of snapping. So I want origin. I want origin to snap. And as well, what kind of snapping algorithm is it? Yeah, so I think it depends of screen space. Yeah, so it's a screen space snapping. So if I'm very, very close, It depends of the cursor position as well. What's going on with my PC? I guess I'll do grid snapping. Yeah, I guess I'll do grid snapping. Okay. So Shift Tab would enable or disable snapping. So let's do Bool snapping equals false.
Bool snapping equals false.
Snapping equal false, and tab case is glk tab break just all capitals. Okay. Shift. So we can do it in one call here. Static pointer label snapping label mm. 480. It's like 500 minus 20, I guess. Let's see if I can see it. So now snapping label is visible equals false. Oh my god. How did I write this code? It's like all typos. Huh. Interesting. Cool. And auto, I was like if auto n equals snapping a lock, n is visible equals snapping. Okay, now let's see, move snap if needed, right? So we'll have a function snap if needed, back free glm back free, and it's gonna be const. So, and I'm going to do snap if needed. Okay. Auto scene editor snap if needed glm back free const glm back free, and if not snapping return v, if snapping. case, alignment mode. Oh, switch case non XYZ XYZ I want to implement snapping to the grid in C++.
I want to implement snapping to the grid in C++.
What would be approach? Let's say I want to snap to every point.
I want to implement snapping to the grid in C++. What would be an approach? Let's say I want to snap to every 0.1.
Divide by grid size. Value divide by grid size. Round multiply by grid size. Do we have any more elegant ways? Fmon. I don't know. Yeah, let me. So essentially, it's dividing. I don't know, I think it's fine. So return glm vec free. Let's have, we don't need break here, and equals to v return v divide by 0.1 around multiply by 0.1. So snap v dot x, snap v dot y, snap v dot z. Let's see how it's gonna work. It's fine. I guess at the I'll just return v at the end for now. So let's enable snapping. It's not working. Okay, to make it work, yeah, orbiting is not going to work, and panning, yeah, panning is going to work, orbiting is going to work. Okay, so it's only move. Init mouse pause, init mouse pause, init scale, init pause. So move. Okay, so how to get init mouse pause. Return. Okay, and equals selected none, get pause. Okay. Okay. Relax. Const auto rel equals init mouse pause delta. I think that would do. Except okay, now snapping. Okay. Snapping. Okay, I think it's working. Cool. It is perfectly working. So let's continue. So I think I can move this function snap here and x, y, z. So snap only on X, snap only on Y, and snap only on Z. So we moved it randomly, and then I want to snap it on Z. Okay, let's say disable snapping. Hmm. Ah, I should disable escape. uh, where is escape? The escape has to do something, but anyways, I'll just going to remove it. I'm wondering. Yeah, rotation. It's not snapped yet. It would be nice to figure out how to do rotational snapping. But look at this. So then I find the rotational snapping. That would be perfect. Oh yeah, escape is. I disabled escape finally. How to close it? Alt F4.
Implement snapping to the grid on move.
Mm. So what degree I want to do snapping? So I think 10 degrees is the perfect, right? Editor. Use 10 degrees. snap angle if needed. This is wrong, but let's AI to do stuff. Is this absolute or relative snapping? I need absolute snapping. Okay, so it's converting it to Euler angles and converting it back. So it should actually, it's pretty clever. So let's see. I'm going to rebuild it in debug. It's gonna be fast, no big deal. Man, so let's see. Rotate on X, I guess on Y. So let's do this way and enable snapping. Yeah, I think it's doing what it's supposed to do. Radius circumference. Hello. It does snapping on Z doesn't work. Snapping on X is not working neither. Snapping on Y is working. Thank you, Radius. Nice project. Rotate on X. No, none of snapping is working. On X, on Y. Oh, it does work on Y. Is that model from modeling software or generated as CSG of sort? And that's all of them is from Blender. So because I'm making the game, I'm going to make all these assets. Like I made this all these assets, it's temporary assets. So like for example, Abandoned Foundry, right? It's a temporary asset. I made it in Blender. There is no shading, nothing. There is no materials, but it's, you know, it's what day 11. So there is a lot of to do. And currently I'm just trying to figure out how to implement snapping with rotation, and ask AI to do it. I thought it did correct implementation, but it does not work. Anyways, let's look at what AI did. So it's updated. You are definitely a NAS engineer trying to blend in or something, because you should be world famous for this project. Hey, thank you. That's good. Just seeing the engine at reapply. Yeah, there is no engine. There is no engine. It's all coded. There is no Unreal Engine, no Unity, no Godot. And this is my design document, which is in Blender. So I have all these checkboxes here. I still did not implement shadows in the renderer. There is a lot of work. I'm planning to finish the game in 2 years. Oh, you meant my engine? Yeah, I don't know if I would call it engine. because it's just a cone. I don't know what is definition of the engine. I thought engine. I don't know. Maybe it is engine. It's all semantics, right? Okay, so this is a icon snap. So let's get Euler angles, target rotation. So Euler angles. Alignment mode, delta rotation. So angle, delta rotation, target rotation, delta rotation, target rotation. Then first of all, it should do snapping. If snapping so it's going to update target rotation, right? So if snapping, it should do that. I like to put break outside, I don't know why, so let me do my way. It's probably this is bad habit, but maybe AI is right. Let's put break inside. I don't know. Euler angles. Okay, so X, Y, and Z. Y and Z. Y and Z. I stream every day, so I don't know. So far, I do stream every day. Sometimes it's hard. Yesterday it was super hard, and I streamed for half an hour, but I try to do streaming every day. I guess like if I super hard, very hard, I can just stream for 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, that should work. Hmm. 10 degrees. So yes, it's fine. Snap. That should work. I do not know why it's not working. Alignment X, Y, and Z. Snap, rotate, X, Z, rotate Z. Oh, now it's working. Yeah. Rotate X, rotate X. It's a bit. I think it's not crooked. Okay. What did I do to fix it? So let me scramble it. Remove some. So I'm going to scramble that cube and then try to return it back. So rotate X. Huh. It has some sort of freedom. Huh. So Z is now. Hmm. Okay, so I did some code cleaning. For example, if none is selected, it still should snap to all angles, but snapping work strangely. For example, if I rotate object 90 degrees along Y and next try to rotate around Z, it is not snapping anymore. So I think recovering, so target rotation, so I see, so target rotation is around yeah, I think I addressing gimbal lock issues. So I think what I guess I can do it by myself. Let's see if AI would be able to figure it out. So I need to apply apply to the model angles, then yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think yeah, even my X and Y movements are going to be not absolute but relative to the object it's attached, but I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, if I rotated it, use make debug, please. So let's see. So rotate it at 90 degrees, right? Now rotate on Z. Oh, okay. Okay. AI was able to figure out, which is nice. It's nice. Then I can do less work. Oh, nice. That's actually really nice. Except I don't know. Maybe I want it, maybe I don't. Yeah, so there is a one thing. Switch alignment mode. So I'm still case non break. Y Z X Y Z. I don't know if it's not going to work. I would take AI version. It's probably okay. I have little bit on Y, enable snapping on Z. Rotate on Y. Rotate on Z. It doesn't work, I see. Okay, so AI version is fine. It's a little bit annoying if I would have like a half an angle, but it's 10 degrees snapping, so it's relatively, I think it's okay. So Let's try to build something. Let's get the platform right and move this cube with snapping on X. Looks good. Then add a cube stairs. So snapping is enabled. Oh my god, that's so good. Cube stairs. Here we go. Cube planes, spiral stairs. Darn. I should probably implement escaping. Okay, so there is a stairs. I'm not sure. What's going on here? It feels like they are scaled. So maybe they are scaled. Let me check. Anyways, they probably scaled. Platform, junction, merchant. Spiral. Oh yeah. I think yeah, what I need to do as soon as I added stuff, add node, right? Make it selected. Yeah, it says render set selected node. It was selected. Does it do it? It's not selecting. It's not selecting. Anyways, let me see. Implement rotational snapping.
Implement rotational snapping.
Okay, I guess I'll just snap on scale so I would not forget, but it's, I don't know, I don't think I need to implement snap on scale. It's kind of okay. Oh yeah, so I won't probably implement some escape functionality. So let's have key down. Where is it? Escape, right? So switch mode and case mode move. I guess first of all get the selected node, mode move. So first, if there is a menu, Where is it? On action. Yeah. Remove menu background. Okay, so I should do that. Scene remove S menu BG. So now, and probably just do break from here. Okay, mod move, mod equals mod none, and selected node set pose init pose break. Rotate, scale, okay, so escape is going to do escape things. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's good. I guess
Nixal said, PLS do overlook of my C++ repo.
look at your C++ repo. It's AI generated, right? I'm pretty sure.
It made me money.
It's made you money. That's cool. So in this case, why I need to look at your repo? It's making money already. Commit.
Because it's still too slow.
Oh, so you want my consulting? How much you're going to pay me for consulting? Because it's made you money. You should not say. You should not show your cards. So is it okay if I do it on stream? Implement escape.
Implement escape. Okay, but I was thinking about doing an offline database that, in a POSES where the neural brain is doing. To cut time in half.
Yeah, send me a link. Why you are not sending me a link? And is it okay if I look at on the stream on your repo?
Youth. HTTPS link.
Poker face. Pokerbone. Oh my god, so much AI generated crap. Engine core. Oh my god. What the fuck? So this is the problem with AI. Wait a second, it's not your it's like why credentials are.
Sometimes it takes too long to calculate.
Sometimes it takes too long to calculate.
Oh, interesting. Text to speech, YouTube text to speech start working. Solar. Dude, I'm not going to look at this stuff. There is too much TLDR. Oh my god. Why did you do it in C++ though?
Neeks
TLDR, it takes too
underscore
long to
lol.
calculate.
TLDR, it takes too long to calculate.
No, TLDR, I said literally TLDR. Too long to read. Too long did not read. Dude, that's crazy. Why there is a different
Neeks underscore
C++
lol.
was the fastest, so I had to use that.
BCUZI thought C++ was the fastest, so I had to use that.
why there is all different dudes.
NPEV Perda.
Neeks
forked two
underscore
projects
Oh no,
lol.
it's the same guy.
Oh, I
yeah.
forked
NPEV
2
Perda.
projects and combined them.
Oh, okay, so it's not AI generated. Oh, there is the same guy. Engine core. Neural brain. Oh my god. Oh, this is
Neeks underscore
Python.
lol. I made someone's engine headless.
No, this is Python. Data
Neeks
generation.
I used someone's
underscore
neural
lol.
brain to make the calculation
Then I
faster,
used
but still
someone's
taking too
neural
long.
brain to make the calculation faster but still taking too long.
Use neural LLM bridge. Oh my god. Vision
Neeks
extraction.
voices
underscore lol. Why 2 voices lol?
Yeah, so I set up so I'll show you. So there is this guy, right? And in settings you can set up text to speech. Where is it? Where is the settings? Reply embedded stream, maybe appearance. Yeah, notifications beta. So I check this checkbox and
Neeks
I
underscore
made it just
lol.
give me advice, and
For
I
now
followed the
I
advice
made it
and won
just
some
give
hands
me
lol.
advice and I followed the advice and won some hands lol.
I cannot give you advice. This project is too big. Dude, how many lines of code? This project is too big for me to review. About what are you talking? Look, README is just like a ginormous.
Neeks
I'm okay, when it's
underscore
fully
lol.
done, can you check it out?
Damn okay, when it's fully done, can you check it out?
That's fully done. Look, if you want, it's like I can do consulting, I guess, but I'm very expensive. I don't know.
It's
Neeks
literally just speed
underscore
that and
lol.
oppose us the problem.
It's literally just speed that's the problem.
Look, speed is always problem, and this is speed is always problem. And it's cost $100 an hour. And for me, probably to figure out how to improve the performance
Neeks
for that
underscore
thing,
lol.
it's
Until
like
now.
I didn't know that until now lol.
it's always hard to make things fast. You have to do a lot of cheating to make things fast. It's not just you use the magic
Neeks
bullet.
And
underscore
oppose to know the
lol.
hard part was making
I
it
didn't
fast.
know the hard part was making it fast.
Hard part, yeah. This is the thing. Okay, keep using AI, then you make a lot of money, then you come to me and give me your money, so I will make it fast. Deal?
Neeks
Okay.
underscore lol. Okay.
Deal. Okie dokie. I mean, if you need some small advice, I can give you small advice, of course. But you put too much stuff.
Neeks underscore
test
lol.
for 48
Short
hours.
amount
Made
of
Put
time.
$1
that
for every
can test
100 big
48
blind hands
hours.
lol.
It made $4 every 100 big blind hands lol.
$4 every 40. But you know, it's a passive income. If it's gonna work right, $2 every day in a month, you got $60, right? In a year, you got I don't know how much. $720, you know. Or you can scale this up, right? You can just put 10 agents and it would make $20 a day. And it's not 720, it's 7,000 a year. It's pretty good income, I guess.
Neeks
Scales by table,
underscore
but I'm
lol.
not risking higher stakes.
It scales by table, but I am not risking higher stakes.
Or yeah. And yeah, it's TOS as well. So if you get busted,
Neeks
How do I
underscore
disable the double
lol.
voice?
Wait, how do I disable the double voice?
oh, I don't know. Let me disable it. Anyways, it doesn't work well, so I'll just disable it. Test.
Mika said test.
Okay. I guess I'll. It's 10. Yeah, it's perfect time to go to bed. It's 10:20. Snapping. I implemented
Mixel said,
snapping.
what I truly want to do now is allow other endpoints connect to the bot, since that is more impressive.
Yeah, go ahead. Vibe coding. Do more vibe coding. People do more vibe codings, make a lot of money, and then you'll get security issues and you'll get performance issues. You'll get crashes. Please come to me, and I'll do consulting for a lot of money.
What is worse from vibe coding security issues or performance?
It depends. You know, for your case, security issues are not going to be, because it's not public facing, right? Project. But if you're making public facing projects, some SaaS, security issues are going to be the issue. Yeah, for sure. And it's gonna be extremely hard to clean up and find the all security holes, because was all wipe coded. So it would take a lot of time, high paid engineers or engineer
It was fun, but I
to
might
find
start a new
out
project
all these
already.
holes. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop streaming. Tomorrow I will start working on the loading saving. I think
Night?
yeah, putting stuff in the world is working pretty well. So it's not Blender level of setting things up, but it's pretty good. So put the platform, and I can quickly put stairs, right? Go up, enable snapping, rotate. Here we go, and add another cube. Oh, what's going on? I know.
I think I want to try a trading bot next. The
Oh
legal way.
yeah, make the trading bot. I think it's more legal. You're not going to be violating any TOS. So why it's not aligned? Confusion. Oh, because this one is not
I
aligned.
can and oppose
see.
T compete with the big firms, so I need a bunch of historical data.
Oh yeah,
For long calls.
you can historical data. I think is not hard to get. I was able to get historical data for free.
Where?
I do not remember. It was 10 years ago or 15. Where did I get historical data? And I've got it for free. It was delayed though. I mean, it was probably 1 month delayed, so it was not current data, but it was a lot of historical data. Where?
I can and oppose T beat the big firms with speed, so I need to beat them the long way.
Yeah. And this is the way. So you do not the high frequency trading, but like
It's still useful.
low frequency trading. I think if you get pretty good algorithm, you can do maybe 30% a year. If you know what you're doing. If you do not know what you're doing, probably you'll get 20% a year. Still pretty good.
See if the bot prediction actually matches the historical data outcome.
And there is another thing. I think
Well,
then
if you
I
find
was
it, let me
doing
know.
this thing. I did not have anything which is trading for free. It's like I think right now, if you're doing on Robinhood, right, trading would be free for you, or kind of minimal. So a lot of
Your Robinhood.
losses was just. Anyways, I cannot remember. It was like a so long time ago. Where did I get historical data? Trading historical data. Do not
Damn, it's
remember.
okay. I might just buy it.
Yeah, it was so long time ago. Stock. No. Fine. I name stock. Oh shit. Don't do this.
You never tried to make one before.
Nothing.
Who gave it to you? Maybe you deleted it.
No. Yeah, it was so long time ago. I just do not remember.
So you tried to make one new. That and oppose us why you had. Oh, there.
No, this is from games. Farmer Simulator, Europe Universal, Livestock Market.
Oh, it's okay, lol. Thanks for trying.
Yeah, it was so long, a long time ago. I just do not remember where is it and where did I get it. I do remember I downloaded bunch of data from Wikipedia. So my idea was not the Wikipedia pages, but
It was legit, though.
Wikipedia has the information about how many times page was visited. So they do have this. So I can do analysis of the interest in the different areas. For example, if people looking Apple right on Wikipedia very often, so it means something.
Wow, that and oppose us smart.
Yeah, it means some like people interested in Apple, and it means something is going to happen to Apple stock market. So I was using Wikipedia data, and Wikipedia data is free, and you can just download it for free. So I had a script with just scraping Wikipedia for that sort of data, and I was as well get the stock market data. So I was so because I would not do like heuristic, I would have just a neural network model which I feed all this data to it and train it. But this was long time ago before LLMs come in, so I was just doing normal neural network and probably even just was running it on CPU. And it was I've got pretty interesting results, but what ate all my stuff.
Well, maybe if you tried it again.
I did not have like a Robinhood account. I did not know like a lot of stuff, so I was just estimated what's going to happen if I just use what is the broker which everybody using, Morgan Stanley, I think.
Robinhood.
No,
And
right
Ripple.
now is Robinhood, yeah, but like there is old one, and each transaction was costing some money. I do not remember how much, and like this small amount of money for transaction was just eating all profit. So
Good Trades has an API too.
no, it was Morgan something, the from Bank of America one. Anyways, it was a long time ago, and I just gave up on it. Morgan something. Morgan Stanley, right? Morgan Stanley. Investment banking company, yeah. Okay. Good night. Thank you for watching.